looks like a dream world. We are inside a dream world. Am I dreaming? Dreaming! I'm Mario. I'm Luigi. Look at this. We need this ticket to enter the Super Nintendo world. Now we are in Super Nintendo world. Let's go inside the tunnel. No, I am Mario. We are Mario team. We are Mario, okay? We have to click the right edge to get the coin. Wait. I see the edge. Look at it.
What is
We're recovering our game. We have to click it. Rolling it.
we miss?
No. We have another chance. No! Chance now! And he's going to bite us.
Yeah.
If we didn't click the right button, he'll bite us. Right?
We miss. We miss.
No, we didn't miss. The one that
What the? Oh, good, good.
I
Yeah.
cannot press the button. Yes, you got it.
Good, we got it.
Be careful. You have to watch the edge. You gotta lean over and do everything. Hello, Yoshi. Hello. There is Yoshi. What? So funny. The eagle can.
Oh. Red color earth, right?
Right or left? What is it?
Right, right.
No, he's going to touch it. Match! 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 Jimmy, we got it! I just clicked it.
We got 2 eggs.
Now we need one more to win the game. It's team. I did not. That's a player. It's easy. I see red egg over there. So far.
Yeah.
It doesn't. It was. I'm red Yoshi now. Oh, what's that? Why he's just fighting and.
What is this? Wataka.